WAEC 2024 Euclidean geometry. When we say Euclidean geometry, we are talking about geometry of straight lines. We are not talking of a shape like square, rectangle, quadrilateral, and the rest of it circle. We're talking about geometry of what? Straight lines. You keep drawing straight lines. So that's what Euclidean geometry. Okay. The question says, in the diagram above, line PQ is parallel to line RS. It's parallel to line, this is RS, okay? And then angle WYZ, angle WYZ is 44 degrees, and angle WXZ is 50 degrees. Find angle WTX, angle WTX, that's this angle on top here. That's what we have to find. So if I call that place small letter x, okay, let's proceed. So now there are a few theories that we are going to determine that angle. Now the first theory is this. When in respect to Euclidean geometry, if you have two parallel lines, this one is parallel to this, and then a line that we call a transverse cuts across those parallel lines, you find that if you have angle A here, this angle will be same as A. We call that alternate angle. Then this angle A will also be the same as A here. We call that corresponding angle. They are equal. Alternate angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Then vertically opposite angles. Then next theory, you have to see vertically opposite angles. So if you have two lines that cut themselves, if here is A, here will also be A. If here is B, here will also be B. So vertically, A is opposite to this downside, so they are the same. B is opposite to this side, so they are the same. So we are going to make use of those two theorems in Euclidean geometry to answer this question. So we have to find x here. And then if you see angle 50 plus angle 44 will give us the angle that we need here. If you call here M, will be what? M will be 50 plus 44, which equals to 94 degrees. So here is 94 degrees. Okay, let me explain that. If you have two parallel lines, and then you have a third parallel line that is in their middle, and then if you have a transverse that goes this way, and then another transverse that goes this way, you find out that whatever angle you have here will be alternate to what you have here. So if here is A, here is A. Then whatever angle you have here will be alternate to angle you have here. If here is B, here is what? B. So that the summation of this angle in this center point will be what? A plus B. That's angle here plus angle here. So 50 plus 44 will give us the angle here, which is 94. So now that we have gotten our 94, now vertically opposite angles are equal. So the angle T here is also what? 94. Since here is 94, here is 94. They are vertically opposite to each other. So the third theorem we're going to use is angle at a point, summation of angle at a point. So if you start from here to measure angle, measure and back to that point, what you measure is 360. Sum of angle at the point is 360. So that means what am I driving to? You see this center point here. If you add all the angles from any side, you add it round till you reach that point, they should give you 360. So here is x. is vertically opposite to here also, so it's also x here. So you'll be having x plus 94 plus 94 should give us what? 360 degrees. X plus x is 2x. 94 plus 94, which is like 94 times 2 is 188. 188 equals to 360. So that our 2x will be equals to, you take 188 to the right side to operate with it like them. So that will be 360 minus 188 to give you 360 minus 188 will give you 172. So we are left with 2x equals to 172. So for us to make x the subject of the formula, we divide both sides by 2. So that x standing alone, so we cancel 2, divide that will give you 86. 2 divide 17, 8 times remainder 1, divide 12, 6. So 86 degrees. So our answer is C. Thank you.